Welcome to today's presentation, Viruses that Shaped Us, the Role of Retroviruses in Human Evolution. Often seen as harmful invaders, viruses have played a critical role in shaping life as we know it. This journey will uncover the impact of retroviruses, the science of ERVs, and their contributions to evolution. We will also reflect on current innovations and their future potential. Let's dive into the fascinating story of how viruses are not just foes but evolutionary allies. Here is our roadmap. We will start by understanding retroviruses and their unique mechanisms, explore how they've become a part of our genome, and dive into the fascinating science of ERVs. From historical findings in primates to their modern implications, we will discuss their role in shaping our evolution, their connections to diseases, and the innovations they inspire today. Retroviruses are unique in their ability to incorporate their RNA into the host's DNA. This enables them to hijack cellular machinery to reproduce. While most infections affect only individuals, germline infections impact entire lineages, creating genetic fragments called ERVs. These fragments act as footprints of viral activity, influencing how species evolve over millions of years. Most viral infections end with the host. However, when retroviruses infect germline cells, they become part of the organism's genetic material, creating ERVs. These viral DNA fragments pass down through generations, shaping evolution by introducing new genetic elements. By studying ERVs, scientists trace ancient viral activity and its impact on life's development. ERVs make up 8% of our DNA, revealing the extent of viral influence. Human chromosome 17 holds ERVs over 104 million years old, indicating a long history of integration. These fragments are not exclusive to humans. They've been found in reptiles, vertebrates, and mammals, showing that viruses have shaped life forms repeatedly throughout history. Our primate ancestors share ERVs with humans, highlighting a shared evolutionary past. These viral fragments have contributed to crucial traits like immune system development. Found in gorillas and other mammals, ERVs demonstrate how viral infections have repeatedly driven adaptations, showcasing the diversity of life shaped by viruses. While humans no longer experience new ERV integration, koalas are undergoing a real-time viral invasion. Retroviruses like HIV affect humans but don't reach germline cells. Koalas offer a rare opportunity to study how retroviruses integrate into DNA, providing a window into evolutionary processes still at work today. ERVs are double-edged swords. While they've been linked to diseases like cancer and autoimmunity, they've also driven critical developments like mammalian placentas. With 20,000 protein-coding genes influenced by ERVs, studying these fragments helps us balance their evolutionary benefits with potential risks. Modern tools like CRISPR are unlocking the secrets of ERVs. These fragments improve our understanding of immunity and inspire therapies for diseases like cancer. By studying ERVs, scientists are uncovering medical breakthroughs rooted in evolutionary history. ERVs remind us that evolution is a story of adaptation and survival. These viral fragments bridge ancient biology with modern science, showing us how humanity was shaped by unexpected forces. Let's embrace the lessons of evolution to inspire future innovations. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. We are constantly bringing you insights and stories about business, technology, and innovation that you don't want to miss. And don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the knowledge and keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next video.